my name is Lisa Grace and this is Nailchemy's YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. We are going super crazy sparkle holographic craziness on this nail. So I got hold of the new Spellbound, which, oh my god. I'm still not 100% certain what I'm going to be doing on that. I got the new glitter as well, Spellbinding, which matches it. So this is just your loose glitter. Oh, that's not what it looks like. One sec.
Use them stabbers.
Oh, so that is what this is going to look like when it's on. That's insane, isn't it? That is just...
I think I might have just weed a little bit.
I want a bath of this. Right, Dave, I need thousands of bottles of banana cuticle oil and thousands of pots of this. I'm going to mix it up in a bath and just sit in it.
And then go out trick-or-treating.
Oh, it's stunning. But I'm going to pop a base down of the Immortal. This is Super Silver. Just so I've got a bit of background on that. I'm just going to throw a load of stuff on this nail and hope for the best, to be honest. Right, acrylic brush. Where's my acrylic brush? That sometimes helps. Oh, there it is, hiding from me. Right, so I've got my tip on. I've done my cuticle work. Tips cut down and shaped up and blended. So I'm coming in with the nail prep, and then with the Ultra Bond Platinum. Get some of this on there. Yeah, we're just going to throw... I might use all three. I might only use one. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Because there's a lot of sparkly sexiness going on there. And I'm here for it. Here for all of it.
No, that's not comfy. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to get comfy to make sure I'm in shot.
So let that dry a little bit. Okay, so I'm using the medium speed monomer and my A8 brush. I'm going to come in with very, very small amounts of clear, just as a base. Just that I've got a clear base to work to when you come back for a redesign. Really thin that out. Fabulous. Pop a lid on that. Right, what was that silver one? So Immortal. This is so pretty. It's so pretty. So again, I need to work in thin layers. Oh, this, by the way, this will completely ruin your fresh monomer. So you may need several pots of oh my god, look at the coverage on that. Yeah, you may need several pots of monomer on the go if you're using this, because it's such a fine glitter shimmer pigment that it's your once clear monomer will then be so sparkly. Look at that! How pretty is that just on its own? But we're not doing it just on its own, are we, Sam?
No.
Because we need some of this prettiness going on. Oh,
Dave, I love this collection.
You've made Sam very happy. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't think we're going to need that glitter on top. I may be getting a little bit too carried away. Look at that!
So is this is the new holographic, isn't it, that you unboxed on your feed the other day?
Yes.
This made me so happy.
Oh my god.
Oh, I could have a set of them. A pair of denim cut-offs and a pair of wellies.
I'm glad that's picking up on the camera. Because usually the nice, pretty, sparkly things don't look very good on the camera.
Oh, look at those colours on the camera.
Showing off, isn't it? This is worthy of a zoom in. Look at that. Oh. Right, so that was Spellbound. let's let that just set for a second, and then we can go in and cap it with the clear. Oh, should we work some wizardry on it?
Oh yeah, if we're not going to go with the spellbinding glitter,
there's no such thing as too much, is there? I think especially when it comes to holographic.
Just...
Well, we'll pop some wizardry on and we'll have a play around with the magnets, see if we can get a bit of a pattern going on the top. How does that sound?
Stop it.
Sam's just died.
I'm gonna wet my pants.
Just died. Please don't.
Through excitement, guys. Through excitement.
Just because you're old.
Love a bit of glitter, me.
Right, so just capping this all in clear now. A little bit of Lando in the brush.
Oh, he likes to get involved.
So pop your apex in with your cuticle bead. Another bit of Lando. Lando, babe, come on. So what? What, Mum?
Oh, why are you telling me off? I haven't done nothing, Mum. It's her fault she wouldn't throw the ball for me.
Oh yeah, for those of you that don't know, Lando is one of my dogs. Not a child or anything. Right, we'll let that set and then we'll give it a good file and then we'll get the wizardry out. Oh look, the sparkle's all gone. It'll come back to life in a minute. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Right, back in a minute, guys. Right, so we're all filed up now. Oh, so excited for this. Yeah, so we're going to go in with wizardry because any opportunity to use this just needs jumping on. So let's have a look, see what happens. I'm going to zoom in for this, I reckon.
I think I just scared the dog. Oh my god.
Right, what can we do with this magnet? So I've got, I think it's called the Meg. Meg. So, you know, it's not going to be massively noticeable. In fact, let's use the round one. It's not going to be massively noticeable because there is so much holographic going on. But I think this might just add a little bit of
dimension.
Yeah, it's just going to I mean, it's going to catch the light at every single angle anyway. But that's just pushed the glitter. You really can't see that on the camera. But it's just pushed the glitter away from these two corners. You can see it a little bit. So you've then got the spiral of the holographic wizardry. Right, throw that in the lamp, please, Sam. And we're going to come in with our no wipe top coat, also known as the non-wipe top coat. Oh, Max. That sounds like it could be a delivery for me. Bit of floof, get off. Mega floof. What do you know? Right, pop that on the lamp, please, Sam. Right, and we're going to pop some banana cuticle oil on this one. What I'm going to do, guys, because it's so cloudy, so there's a big black cloud above us right now. I'm going to wait until we get some sunshine, maybe in a couple of days, and get a really nice picture of this, because that is just insane. I wonder if it'll work with my torch again. Let's have a little look. Yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Oh, I could sit here doing this all day. Mm-hmm. Oh, I love that. Thank you, Dave, for bringing these products into my life.
I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give us a little thumbs up, hit like on that video, drop any comments that you've got down in the comment section below, and more importantly, make sure you hit subscribe so that you get a notification for all of our future videos. All of the products that I've used today you can find on our website, which is nailchemy.co.uk. And I will see you in the next video.